Let's look at how to write the equation of a parabola when we are given 3 points contained on that parabola. For example, let's find the equation of the parabola that contains the points -1, 8, 0, 4, and 1, 2. First, we'll substitute the x, y values of each point into the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, which is the standard form of a quadratic function. So first, for -1, 8, we get 8, which is our y value, equals a times -1 squared plus b times -1 plus c. Or 8 equals a minus b plus c. Or if we switch it around so our variables are on the left, we have a minus b plus c equals 8. Let's look at our second point, 0, 4. We get 4 equals a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c when we substitute in 4 for y and 0 for x. Simplifying, this becomes 4 equals 0 plus 0 plus c, or 4 equals c. We're switching it around, c equals 4. So that's our second equation. Let's substitute in our third point, 1, 2. So our y value is 2, our x value is 1. So 2 equals a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c, which simplifies to 2 equals a plus b plus c, or switching it around so that the variables are on the left, we get a plus b plus c equals 2. Okay, so our second step is to solve the 3 by 3 system of equations that we now have. So we have this system, a minus b plus c equals 8, c equals 4, a plus b plus c equals 2. So this is a system of 3 equations with 3 variables. So since we do know what one of the variables is, we know that c equals 4, we can substitute 4 in for c in the other equations. So doing this in the first equation, we get a minus b plus 4 equals 8. Or, subtracting 4 from both sides, a minus b equals 4. Let's substitute now in c equals 4 in the bottom equation. And we get a plus b plus 4 equals 2. Subtracting 4 from both sides, a plus b equals -2. So now we have a system of 2 equations with 2 variables, a and b. So we could solve this using elimination. So I could add these 2 equations together. I have 2a, my b's are eliminated, 4 plus -2 is 2. So 2a equals 2. Let's solve for a by dividing both sides by 2, and a is 1. Okay, I can get b by substituting into one of these equations. So if I substitute 1 in for a, this first equation becomes 1 minus b equals 4. Subtracting 1, I get -b equals 3. Dividing both sides by -1, b is -3. So now I know a is 1, b is -3, c is 4. Okay, our third step. Let's substitute the a, b, and c that we found into standard form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So remember, we found a is 1, b is -3, and c is 4. So substituting in, we get y equals 1 times x squared plus -3 times x plus 4. We're simplifying, y equals x squared minus 3x plus 4. And this is our equation for our parabola.